Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kirti and you're watching the part 1 of my Gujarat trip. Gujarat, which is a state in Western India, sometimes referred to as the jewel of Western India. Its capital city is Gandhinagar while its largest city is Ahmedabad. So this was the plan for our 10-day Gujarat trip. So the first stop was Ahmedabad. We took an overnight train from Delhi to Ahmedabad and reached on the morning of 19th December. After that, we went to the second stop, which was Modhera, which is a town in the Mehsana district of Gujarat. After this, we came back to Ahmedabad and took a train to Junagadh, which was our third stop. From Junagadh, we went to Diu and hired a taxi for that, which was our fourth stop. And Diu is a union territory, it is not a part of Gujarat. After Diu, we went to Talala, which was our fifth stop. After Talala, we went to Junagadh, took a bus to Junagadh and then took a bus to Rajkot the same day. It was our sixth stop. From Rajkot, we took an overnight bus to Bhuj. That was our seventh stop. After Bhuj, we went to Mandvi for a day to explore the beach and other stuff. This was our 8th stop. After Mandvi, we came back to Bhuj. From Bhuj, the next day we went to the Run of Kutch. This was our 9th stop. So these were all the 9 stops we had in Gujarat. And from Run of Kutch, we came back to Bhuj. The next day, we took a train from Bhuj back to Delhi.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this is crazy mother.
And we have reached. Hi guys, so we have reached Ahmedabad and this is our room. We are staying in a homestay. We have to get ready and then we'll go to Akshardham temple first. I'll keep you guys posted about where we go and stuff. See you guys when I get ready. So we are ready guys and we are leaving for Akshardham temple and here is Pratishtha. So yeah, let's go. As per our plan, we went to the Akshardham temple first. It was Monday, so it was closed and we didn't know that. And after that, we went to the Gandhi Museum. The road which you are seeing right now, this is the road on which the Gandhi Museum is located. And it was also closed. And then we decided to go to the Adalaj stepwell. also known as the Ruda Bai stepwell, which is a stepwell located in the village of Adalaj, close to Ahmedabad city and in Gandhinagar district in the Indian state of Gujarat. It was built in 1499 by Mahmud for his queen Ruda Bai. It is an example of Indo-Islam fusion architecture work. The stepwell or wow, as it is called in Gujarati, is intricately carved and is 5 stories deep. Such stepwells were once integral to the semi-arid regions of Gujarat, as they provided water for drinking, washing and bathing. These wells were also venues for colorful festivals and sacred rituals. After Adalaj stepwell, we went to the Sabarmati Ashram, also known as the Gandhi Ashram, and it is located in the Sabarmati suburb of Ahmedabad, adjoining the ashram road on the banks of the river Sabarmati, 4 miles from the town hall. This was one of the residences of Mahatma Gandhi, who lived there for about 12 years along with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. It was from his base here that Gandhi led the Dandi March, also known as the Salt Satyagraha, on 12 March 1930. In recognition of the significant influence that this march had on the Indian independence movement, the Indian government has established the ashram as a national monument. This is the washroom of the Sabarmati Ashram. See, the washroom also is quite like interesting. Nature. Yeah. Nature everywhere. Yeah. After visiting the Sabarmati Ashram, we decided to go to this lake, which was totally empty. There was no water in it, and we got trolled by the internet. So we decided to explore the city instead, and we went on this cool horse ride. After that, we went to this adventure park, did some cool rides, and then went to the mall, had dinner, and watched Pe Fikre, and then went to our homestay and slept.